Hello, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. So today I want to make biryani, and I want to share with you because I saw many comments that and people request me that I will make. Then today I decide that I make. So now I want to make and I want to start. So stay with me. Inshallah, I will show you everything how to make and what you can add or what's other. Everything I will tell you. Stay with me and support us, me and my daughter channel. Nana Naya Ki Dunya, support us. Give us love before you give us too much. Yes, same love you give again. So stay with me. I will show you. Welcome back. Now we are frying our onion. I take 2 onion, big size. Now I add oil also, and here is my water. This water for rice, because for biryani we must boil rice before. Now my water is already boiled. Now I add rice in this. Make sure when you want to make biryani, take onion like a large size or 2-3. Now fry well onions until that get brown. Because many people request me that to make biryani. That's why I want to make biryani today for our iftar. And also my friend and I also like biryani too much. Even we don't like, but I make for them. Okay, now when it's become little bit brown, we add ginger or garlic paste. I will show you. When you are boil the rice, please must add the salt. I have 1+ glass for rice. That's why I add 1 and a little bit, half plus. Now the onion you can see little bit golden brown. Okay, now we add ginger paste. I have ginger paste and garlic 1+ spoon. Now I have here chicken. If you add same when you add ginger paste and garlic paste, same time you add chicken, then there is no smell of chicken. That's why I add same time. Now we will mix it. Fry it until 5 minutes. When 5 minutes finish, then we add pulses, some spice like this. Okay, also I show you that what I use for biryani. Here now you can see the rice is boiled. Now we can check how because we need half boiled rice, not full boil. Now almost rice is ready what I need. Okay, now I switch off and take out the rice separate. Be careful because it's so hot. Okay, like this you can take out the rice. And keep aside. Now almost rice is ready. When chicken also ready, then we mix it. Now here I have some spice. This one is biryani masala which I buy from Pakistani shop. I show you the box also. There is some other spice, and this one is dry plum. Okay. If you want too much spicy, you can add too much spice. But in biryani, because if too much spicy, then looks so delicious. Now we wait for 5 minutes more. Then this cook. Then we add tomato. Now you can see there is almost 5 minutes more. The chicken little bit fry. Now I add tomato and green chili. Whatever you want, like spice, how much you want, you can add. It's depend on your taste. If you want too much spicy, then add spice too much. If you don't want, then no, don't add. Then like this you can make same like this. Okay, now we need more, like 5 to 7 minutes. Then the tomato also little bit cook and chicken also. Now we will wait again. You can see now it's almost the tomato is cooked and the chicken also, but we need more. You can see the shape. It looks so delicious now. Now I need to add some yogurt. I have 2 spoon yogurt. Okay, after yogurt we need 10 minutes, then this chicken is ready. Okay friends, until our biryani not cooked, okay, not ready. But I want to show you one more Pakistani favorite dish. That one, this one, I buy this one from Pakistani shop. Now I add in water. Okay, then I make it little bit hot. For make like yogurt, because this we call yogurt. Okay, for this, now I have here mint and green chili. I grind it and I make. Okay, I add this. You can make thick also and soft also, but I make like very soft because I need to add yogurt. I add near 4 spoon. If you want to add more, you can add more. If you don't want, then you can't. Now you can see this almost makes soft, but this too much hot now. Now I soak out it and add in like yogurt. But now if this too much hot, I wait like 2-3 minutes. Okay, now the chicken is almost ready. Everything ready. Now we take out from separate plate, because for biryani this must need. You can see little bit when oil remaining down, you leave like this. Okay. Now make a layer down in rice first. When you make one layer of rice, then now you need to add chicken. Which chicken we take out, now we add in the middle. Now again we make one layer of rice. To add some color in this, then I show you. Wait. Now I have yellow color and I want to add yellow. If you had red, green, you can add. Okay, now we put in steam for 10 minutes. make medium flame, too much low, not medium, too much low, sorry. Then after 10 minutes I will show you. Okay, now here also our bundi is ready. Now we add in yogurt. You must try this also at home. This looks so delicious, and you like with rice, without rice, you can eat with spoon. Yeah. So when biryani is ready, then I show you last picture. Okay. You can see the look. Now our biryani is ready. You must try at home and tell me feedback how you like it or what. Please must give me feedback. Write in comments what I make next. Then inshallah I will make. Now I make this biryani, bundi and chips. Yes. No, you tell me if you like, watch my video, subscribe my channel, give me like, comment and subscribe my channel, give me support like this before you give me. Inshallah we will meet you next video. Bye bye.